Hello, everyone. My name's Tobias Hathorn, and I'm a product manager in the APS platform. I lead the data exchange team, and I have a real passion for interoperability, especially due to the fact that I practiced as an architect for 5 years, and I have felt the pain of low fidelity interop. So we're happy to share how Autodesk is addressing this for you. And I'm joined today by Layla on my team, the foremost expert on IFC at Autodesk. This presentation will be about the data exchange products and especially how our IFC connector works. And you will leave with a clear understanding of both the current value of the data exchange for IFC, and you'll get to see some customer examples. So you'll see where the product is headed. Autodesk is on a long journey to help customers unlock file-based data so that the file doesn't have to be the source of truth forever. And this is a long journey from files to granular data. And on this journey, we get a frequently asked question: why is granular data so much better than file-based interoperability? Well, just imagine a complex project like this one from a galaxy far, far away. You could share your entire model like we've been doing for years, but we all know that files are complex and bulky. There is some friction in this experience, especially when your collaborator only needs a part of the model, like the control room. Now, imagine another approach. What if you could share only the elements that the recipient needs while maintaining a connection back to the original model so that you can update the shared subset if something changes on your side? And this is how data exchange system works, allowing you to extract only a portion of your model using granular data structures instead of a file format. Starting from your authoring app, where you have the entire model, you can isolate, extract, and share model subsets as data exchanges. And these exchanges are accessed through the Autodesk Construction Cloud, also known as Forma, so that your existing project permissions and team setups all still apply. Now you have structured granular data that can be used for coordination, documentation, and visualization in BI dashboards. And this is a pretty simple diagram, but this sharing pattern scales to many of the apps that you get to use every day. So by sharing data instead of files, we unlock new and exciting customer value. You can connect to an ecosystem of different tools, extending well beyond just Autodesk tools. And you can do all of this while maintaining explicit control over access and permissions established in your Forma data management. All of this ensures that specific stakeholders have just what they need to perform their tasks. And this makes their lives more efficient. And all of this protects your source files. So your intellectual property is not getting copied and reproduced in many places. All of this, and you're still able to enable collaboration. I'll pass it over to Layla to show us some amazing customer examples and talk more about our IFC Cloud Connector.
Great. Thanks so much, Tobias. So let's have a look at our IFC connector. As Tobias mentioned, we have several connectors, and the IFC is one of our cloud connectors, which means that this one is available on the cloud on Forma, and you are not required to do any kind of a setup, a download. It is just available on all the Forma projects which were created after July 22nd, 2025. This connector basically allows you to filter down your IFC files and share only the elements you need in the data exchange. As Tobias just mentioned, this is really the true power of data exchange, that we can share only the data which is really required and needed by a specific workflow. So let's have a look how this looks like for the cloud connector for IFC. I think we have all already received really huge IFC files, which basically contain everything you don't really need. So in this case, for example, I maybe just need the curtain walls inside of my Revit project. So what the Cloud Connector allows me is to easily filter the IFC and basically share only the curtain walls, in this case, with my Revit and load them there. As you can see here, the curtain walls are loaded as the curtain walls inside of Revit, which means that I'm able to use them for the documentation and also for the scheduling. As you can imagine, this can save a lot of time because we don't need to link the IFC with all the unnecessary details. And we will also update the data exchange whenever a new version of the IFC file is uploaded. And to show you a little bit how our customers are actually using this connector, let me show you a couple of great real-world examples. So the Deutsche Bahn, for example, is an early adopter of our Revit and IFC connectors. Their projects are managed on Forma, and they typically involve multiple teams with complex permission settings. And to simplify the project setup and the IFC version management, the uploaded files are converted into the data exchanges and then used for the documentation workflows inside of Revit, and are also visible across all the views of the published Revit model later on the Forma. And in addition, of course, all the properties from the IFC files are also preserved and seamlessly transferred to Revit through the data exchange, so that, as mentioned before, they are able to use them for the documentation, scheduling, tagging, and so on. Another great example we have received from Skanska UK is showing the Power BI workflow, which allows them to validate IFC 4.3 model exports from Revit in a very easy and straightforward way, while visualizing the data coming from the IFC files in the Power BI. So our Power BI viewer or connector allows you to load the data exchanges no matter from which connector, and with the viewer, which is a part of the connector, you can basically very easily create interactive Power BI dashboards, which can then be shared with anyone, even with stakeholders who otherwise don't have the BIM skills or the right tools to work with this data and to analyze it. And last but not least, another very exciting project is this reconstruction project shared by the French construction company Eiffage, who have built a 4D dashboard based on data exchanges. So they basically had a challenge that this reconstruction was very complex and involved several stages, and that most of the staff on site was not really familiar with BIM tools or able to use very complex project dashboards, which is why they built this Power BI dashboard, which would run simply in a web browser, and which basically connected the models coming from both IFC and Revit with the project schedule. And this allowed everyone to very easily check which work needed to be done on a specific day and where, and they would also get the immediate feedback in the viewer as well. So I hope these nice customer examples have inspired you to try out our Cloud Connector for IFC. And we also have a dedicated link list where you can get a lot of other resources. We also have a webinar series on a data exchange, and you can find all the recordings in the link list, and a lot of other great materials. So definitely stay in touch, and thank you for using Data Exchange.